Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display menu items in palette style for a Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So here is my macOS application. I haven't changed any code, it is by default what it is. If you see at the top, I have added a menu item called sports. If I click on it, here you can see now this is a typical menu item. Okay, here is a section header. Now again two typical menu items, again a section header, again two typical menu item, again a section header. Now this is what is a palette style. So if I click on it, here you can see whatever item has been selected, that particular thing gets printed. Also there is another thing, if I go to persons, here these are sub menus, right, which I have already made a video about. I won't go into that detail, but if you see within a sub menu, you can also again display palette style. So if I click on this, here you can see paperclip selected. So yeah, that's what this video is all about. Now for palette style, it is only supported from macOS 14. So what you will have to do is just create a Flutter app. Then we don't require any Dart code. Just go to the macOS folder, double click on the XC workspace, it will open it inside Xcode. Firstly select this runner, change the macOS deployment target to 14, then go to targets, go over here, change the minimum deployment to 14 as well, then go to app delegate, and here firstly we have to call this application did finish launching method. We have to override it. Then what we are doing is that we are checking whether we have the main menu or not. If yes, then we create this ns menu item. So we just do ns menu title sports, then I do menu.items, I init. So these are the basic, this is how we create items, right, menu items. So this is the item 1, this is our section header, then I have again created two items, I have assigned this click listener method to it, all of them, then again a section header, then again two menu items. So this is one way. Again this video is about a palette menu, so I'll come back to that. Again a section header. Now here is a palette menu, so all you have to do is just create an ns menu. These are all the symbols for it. Now I'm just looping over all the symbol and creating an ns menu item. Then we just do ns image, we pass the symbol as a title as well as system symbol name. Now all these images are by default present inside macOS. I haven't added anything inside the assets folder. Okay, so yeah, don't worry about that. And the important part is we have to set the presentation style as palette. Then again I have created an ns menu item, then I have just assigned the palette menu to our sub menu, and then I have added the palette menu item to our menu. Then I have created this person menu item. So these are in form of like menus within a menu. So again same thing, symbols, looping over it, creating an ns menu item, setting the image for it, then adding that item to our person palette menu. Even though this is not a palette menu, so really bad naming I guess. And here I have set it as person menu item, say as a sub menu, and just adding that person menu item to our menu. Now this is menus within a menu but in form of palette style. So I have created this ns menu. Say again these symbols are by default present inside macOS, so we don't have to worry about it. Then I have created again looped over it, created symbols, ns menu item, ns image, locate menu, palette menu dot add item, then presentation style equal to palette. Then we just create an ns menu item, then dot sub menu we just assign location palette menu. Here then again I created an ns menu, I added a section header. If you don't want this section header, you can ignore it. And then location menu dot add item, location palette menu, and again created an ns menu item, set the title for it, assign our location menu as a sub menu to it, and then just do menu item dot add item, menu dot add item, location menu item, and then just set the menu as a sub menu to our parent menu item. Then we do main menu dot add item, parent menu item, and here I have just added one more method for our click listener. So hopefully this is clear to you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.